Classico Extreme.
I did it, guys! I have more of the special paper that I need. And tonight for celebration, we're gonna start by drawing MINITRON, the cyber tick. I know what you're wanting to ask. What the heck is a cyber tick? I'm glad to answer that. Cyber ticks are mechanical insects that can control any Cybertronian that they bite. They have the same effect on mortal standards. As you have noticed, tick bites are a really bad thing, especially for machines. MINITRON first showed up and got into a huge mess controlling the Autobots, until eventually Grimlock finally subdued him and finally placed him back behind bars. Cyber ticks are related to regular ticks. One thing about ticks is that these things can create a disease known as Lyme disease. I know, one of my family members got that when we were camping when I was a kid. We haven't been the same ever since. It's not contagious or anything. It just runs in the... It's just really not good. Alexa, what are ticks?
Ticks are parasitic arachnids that are part of the mite superorder Parasitiformes. Adult ticks are approximately 3 to 5 millimeters in length depending on age, sex, species, and fullness. Ticks are external parasites, living by feeding on the blood of mammals, birds, and sometimes reptiles and amphibians.
If there's one thing I can't stand, it's that Lyme disease can really make someone really sick.
According to Mayo Clinic, Lyme disease is a tick-borne illness caused by bacteria in the Borrelia family. Lyme disease is transmitted by the bite of an infected blackleg tick, commonly known as a deer tick. The disease causes a rash and flu-like symptoms. You may also experience joint pain or weakness in your arms or legs. You're more likely to get Lyme disease if you live or spend time in grassy and heavily wooded areas where deer ticks thrive.
Nasty. Alexa, what is a deer tick?
Here is what I found. Deer tick is a noun meaning any of various ticks of the genus Ixodes that are parasitic on deer and other mammals and are vectors of Lyme disease and other infectious diseases.
Who does that? Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission by Mark DeGroot on Amazon Music.
once are making the climb. I'll trust the power you've got inside. All of aim to be the stars of the stage, moving a union through anything we face. Beyond the planets with a slam, slam, slam. Start the battle in a tank.
Alexa, unpause. Alexa, play it again.
Sorry, I am having trouble playing the music from your library.
Sorry about that, you guys. It's just ticks are really painful. And finished. That is how you draw MINITRON from Transformers Robots in Disguise. Now remember this, everyone. Do not get bitten by one of these things. These guys are... Sure they look like small, harmless ladybugs, but they're actually really poisonous, and you really shouldn't go near them, even in pools. It is be a reminder that stay calm and stay healthy and stay safe. And don't go near these guys. Especially around Corona. That's all for now. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And be on the lookout for more Transformers like this coming soon. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.